Staining or painting your fence will help preserve and protect it from the sun and weather. Before you begin painting, you will need to do all the prep work to ensure a good quality result. Clear, cover, or remove anything in the area of the fence that you do not want painted. Repair any damage to the fence and clean the fence using a pressure washer. With the surface to be painted prepped, any surfaces you don't want painted should be covered with a tarp or plastic sheeting or blocked while painting using a spray shield. It is best to avoid painting on a windy day when it is difficult to control the overspray. For a sample list of what you need, visit your local Graco retailer or visit Graco online. Make sure to follow all safety procedures when using your paint sprayer. Review the operating manual and safety instructions prior to use. Select the spray tip that best meets your needs for the materials you are using and the surface to be sprayed. Typically, using a narrower spray pattern width, such as an 8-inch width, and using a smaller hole size, such as a 13/1000th tip, will give you the best control. Be sure the hole size of the tip does not exceed the maximum capacity of your sprayer. When spraying lighter materials like stains, select the lowest pressure setting that enables you to maintain a good spray pattern. Lower pressure settings will give you better control and a finer finish. Apply stain or paint by spraying along each board lengthwise with the grain of the wood. When spraying the side of the fence with supports or posts, it's best to spray those areas first, pointing the spray tip directly at either inside corners or outside corners first, and then spray the flat surfaces. Once complete, spray along each board lengthwise with the grain of the wood, and remember to point the spray tip at the edge of the previous pattern to overlap each stroke by 50%. Keep in mind not to spray above the top of the fence unless using a spray shield, or unless there are no areas where overspray could create a problem. If you have to spray on a breezy day, to avoid travel of overspray, the narrow portion of the spray pattern should be in the same direction as the breeze. You may need to spray using a horizontal or vertical stroke, depending on the ultimate spray pattern orientation. When you're finished spraying, the only thing left is to wait for the paint or stain to dry. Remove any tape or film covering the surfaces you did not want painted and clean up.